To file for divorce in North Carolina, you must be separated for a year. So it's very important to be sure you've met that time requirement. That means you have to be living separate and apart from your spouse for an entire year. At the end of that year, then either one of you can file for divorce, and you should hire a reputable family lawyer to help you with that. While it is possible to file for a divorce yourself, we highly recommend that you seek an attorney's advice. There may be issues associated with the divorce that you're not even aware of, and it's very hard to go back in time once the divorce is finalized and fix those issues, so it's better to do so on the front end and seek an attorney's advice. I think there's a real temptation to handle the divorce yourself because it is possible to go to the clerk's office and file a divorce complaint. But many things can go wrong. The court system is complex, the procedural process is complex. Sometimes even service itself can be very difficult to achieve. So it's very important to consult with an attorney if you're considering filing for divorce.